Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, yo. How you guys doing? So Lito and I just went to get some really high quality food, aka McDonald's. It was delicious. But yeah, so we wanted to go something more local, but there was a massive line, so I was like, fuck it. Fuck it. So Lito got his bike as well. He has basically the same bike as me. We both have a 650, except he has a Ninja and I have a Z. His is more sport. Mine is not. Mine is more naked bike. Oh, there's ice cream right there, actually. There's a lot of people. Where are we going, bruh? Someone has been leaking. Must be Rosario. I heard she's often very wet. When she steps into water, obviously, the wet status, or when you use Shingshu, or you know, things like that. No, not that. Another ice cream. Ooh la la. Oh, Doggo, hiya. I'm a bad rider. I should be behind him because I'm second, but I'm first. But I should be second. That's the driving way. I thought she had a beard for a second, but it's a mask. She's just not wearing it because, you know, why wear a mask? Wait for me! Erotica. Is that a sex shop? Looks like a sex shop. You guys wanna go? What should we buy? Nice car. I gave him the nod because earlier we went by here and he gave me the nod, so I was like, I'll give him the nod again. They call him the Red Hoodie. He murders people, innocent people. Every night he transforms into a werewolf, but only on the very special moons, which are every night, which they're not so special. Yahoo! Ride with a second person. Kind of have to adapt to their, not their play style, you know, but Doggo! But you do need to adapt a little bit. And to, like, you know, where they're gonna go, left, right. Sometimes if I get a flasher, probably not, but still. So, not a bad neighborhood here, actually. I just wish we had a bit more light, like another 2 hours of light instead of 1 maybe. Another Doggo here. Doggos are cute. Do I see a Doggo? Hello, Doggo. Oh, who's a good Doggo? Oh boy. Ooh, that's a playground. I wonder how's the playgrounds affecting kids and shit. Wait, there's a dough down on a fucking stop sign? Nani? Oh, fucking another dough down. Dude, how many fucking stop signs are here? Oh, another. A mini Doggo. Did you guys see that? It's a mini Doggo. Mini Doggos are cute. Nice bike. Yeah. Dude, there's a stop sign at every fucking street? Are you serious right now? Why is there so many stop signs? You don't have to have one at literally every single street. Who built this city? Oh my god. Dude, the guy that put all these stop signs is a massive troll. It's like, I will make them stop. And I'll put the speed bumps on top of the stop signs. They won't have a choice. Okay. Dude, if I drive at night, I can't promise I would do every single one of them. Another doggo. It's fogging up. I'm trying to understand, to discover, to realize where we are, and I have no idea. I wish that there was like a technology where you can like beep boop, and then your visor lights up, and then it's no longer like a dark visor, because that'd be fucking magical. Fluttering and blah blah blah. Hello, fellow rider. How you doing? Oh, hi. Oh, there's your doggo. There's an that's a big doggo. The green light screen. Okay, cool. Ooh, nice car. E. This is for you boys. Meow, meow, meow. Oh, that's not bad. Not a bad view. Oh, we're turning left? Okay. Can't say I know where we are, but... okay. Guys, right, you know? No comments. Oh, nice houses here. Not bad. Oh, I think I know where we are now, actually. Wait, is that like a fat tire? Are they running like fat tire bikes? I thought those were meant for like the snow or something. First time I see those kind of really cool bikes. Those tires are fucking massive, man. Oh, I thought that was like a little boy or like a little girl. Not a old lady. I'm not paying attention. Hey, wait, they have fat bike too over there. I think. Well, the one in the back at least. Where are we? Yeah, I think I know where we are. Look at that. Miss? That's... okay, never mind. I thought she was running a red light. I did not notice that she... like, young lady, it looks like a little bit dangerous what you're doing. She's okay. Doggo! Doggo! Oh, we're turning? Okay. I did not know. I mean, is that like a decoration on that vine on his house, or should he try to remove that shit? Why are we doing this many zigzag? I don't know, but it's okay. It's a nice house. That one. Hey, we see Doggo. Let's get closer to the Doggo. Wait, is she in rollerblades? Yo, that's baller. Hello, Doggo. Oh, you're good, Doggo.